Hi, it's Jeff Grace with gracehomes.com at Remax Hallmark here in Toronto. And today I'm standing in the Upper Beach in our newest listing at 40 Wembley Drive in the center of a great family community. I hope you enjoy the video. The main floor of this house is fully open concept with a wood-burning fireplace, a large kitchen island. Both bathrooms are beautifully renovated, featuring heated floors. The second floor features 4 bedrooms, with the 4th currently being open concept but easily closed back into a bedroom. The basement features a finished rec room and tons of storage space, something that's rare in houses in this neighborhood. This house is beautifully perched up on the street overlooking Williamson Park Ravine and only 1 block away from Bowmore Public School, which goes from junior kindergarten to grade 8 and offers a gifted program. It's the heart of the community as it's next to Fairmount Park Community Center with an indoor pool and Fairmount Park with a baseball diamond, tennis courts, a playground, and an outdoor hockey rink in the winter. It's a great location to commute around the city with Coxwell only 2 streets away, easy access to the subway as well as Queen Street's 24-hour streetcar. I hope you enjoyed the house as much as I do. It's a fantastic property. So give us a call at 416-699-9295 to book your private showing.